Yay!
This is a video according to anybody who has football. But there's a little catch to it. We're going to do one-hand catches. So I'm going to start first. Whoever misses it three times, then they have to get punched in the arm.
No.
Yes, so I'm going to start first. And here we go. So, first
I have to
one.
throw it like that and you have to run. Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Go.
That was a miss. Thanks to him, that's a ball too.
Alright. The ball doesn't have any strings on it. Alright, let's go. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Mess up.
Let's go. No. Redo.
I tried to catch it. I'm too lazy, that's what.
Redo.
I mean, not too lazy, tired.
3.
Oh, that's one.
Yes.
Come on, come on. I already know I'm gonna get punched. Your punches doesn't really hurt anyway, so alright, let's go. Alright, let me try here.
360. Oh,
Yeah.
my turn. So his turn now. All right. So here we go. His turn. No. Wow. He missed. Okay, not turn. Okay, his turn again. Now. One hand. All right, so he missed one and he caught one. So yeah, two more. He's throwing it back to me. So here we go. Here, 1, 2, 3. Wow, not a good freaking. What the freak? All right. 1, 2, 3. That was just bad. That's two misses and one catch.
I'm gonna try harder.
Try harder.
Ready?
1, 2, 3. Well, that's 3. You know what that means, guys? 360 on it. All right,
Watch
zoom
me.
in.
Watch me. What the heck?
Dude, okay, man. I am just play with the ball, man. Stupid freaking dog. Okay, reverse.
No, you're supposed to give me the ball. Alright, let's go. Ready? Go. Oh, that's one. You got 2 more. Come on. Oh, dang. Oh. Oh, it didn't count. I see him right there. Alright, let's go. I'm ready. Alright, let's go. Oh, you tried it. Nah, come on. I'm giving you a day on. No, if you missed 3, I changed the rule. No, that was. Oh yeah, you. No.
That was 2.
No, that was your last one.
That was 2.
That was your last one.
That was only 2. That's only 2.
Now, if these people say something about, dude, just come on, just suck it up and face it. Don't punch you hard. Alright, let's go.
Alright.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Ah!
Come on.
Dude, that was only
Come on.
two.
Come on. A YouTuber don't. Okay, it's lying. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Come on. This hard. Alright. This hard. I'm not gonna punch him hard. It just. Move your hand. Look.
Oh,
Let's see.
bro.
Come on.
Oh.
What? You get 3 punches.
No.
Alright, one.
Nah,
One hard punch.
Nah,
Since you missed 3, one hard punch. One hard punch. Come on. Oh, I missed.
Oh,
I missed.
wow.
I missed. You move.
Dude, what the frick? I can't do.
Here, get the freaking ball. Here, get this and get the freaking
I can't
ball.
take a punch.
Just go, wussy.
King fat. King fat. Think this is freaking. Alright, here's the last one. Then the video is over. 7. The video will be over in a minute. So,
That ain't count. All you have to do is
one. Cut. Nope, that's 2. Nope, 2. The ball, guys. Freaking. Now, Nick broke. That's 3. Alright, guys. This is the end of our video today. And I hope you guys like, subscribe.
Parkour.
Next will be a Black Ops 3 video.
Parkour.
And that's pretty much it for real. So, bye and subscribe.